Season 2 of Duos, the Co-Founders Podcast, is brought to you by our amazing sponsor, NYC Surgical Associates, the nationally acclaimed multi-specialty surgical practice with 6 AAA HC-rated 5-star facilities in the New York tri-state area. They are conveniently located in New York, in Hampton Bays, Roslyn, Pearl River, and Manhattan, and in New Jersey in West Caldwell. NYC Surgical Associates takes a unique multidisciplinary approach to patient care with in-house specialists that perform minimally invasive surgery, endovascular surgery, and plastic surgery. The team takes pride in their treatment of conditions such as pelvic congestion syndrome, hernias, male infertility, May-Thurner's disease, fibroids, and sports-related leg and back pain. NYC Surgical is also supported by its own in-house regionally trained anesthesia team, led by board-certified surgeon Dr. David Gruner and COO Dr. Adam Tonis. Their curated team affords patients comprehensive and highly specialized care in a comfortable outpatient setting. For more information, please visit them at www.nycsurgical.net. That's www.nycsurgical.net. And now we bring you Duos.
Welcome to Duos, the Co-Founders Podcast. I'm your co-host, Michael Serjak, along with my partner, Justin Marcus. Our goal is to dig into and understand the power of two individuals coming together and building incredible companies, partnerships, and relationships. In this episode, we sit down with Steven Rosenblatt, Josh Rahn, and Glenn Handler, co-founders of Oceans, a new kind of venture capital firm helmed by a team of early-stage investors and mentors focused on giving startups the hands-on support they need to succeed. These NYC tech legends take us through their collective experiences at Apple, Facebook, and Google, where they saw a deficiency in the standard